So, hey guys, I hope you all are doing well today. Today I'll be talking about how to score the 55 plus marks. Now, this is the strategy which our sir used to tell us, and believe me, it works really, really well. Okay, so don't doubt that because I have seen the students are doing very well by following this strategy. Now, let's see what the strategy is. See, in a gate, you will be having uh, many subjects, but the three important subject which I would rank is the DSA, which is all-time favorite, and the discrete maths plus engineering mathematics and the aptitude. Now these are the three subject. I understand that these three are having a very huge syllabus, but see, there are few important things, and see, in the DSA data. Okay, sorry. Data structures is the easy part, array, stack, queues, right? In the maths, the engineering mathematics is the easiest part, and in aptitude, everything is just formulas, so you can cover it very well with a very less amount of time. So please don't keep this at preparation at the end. Okay, like, okay, I will prepare the aptitude at the November end or the December end, because what happens is that if you are preparing aptitude at the end, you won't be getting good marks in the test series in the aptitude session, which will definitely bring down your overall rank, and that may be a demotivating factor. Because I understand that if we are preparing really hard and marks are not getting as per our expectations, so it's disappoints. Yes, I understand, so please avoid that mistake. Now these three have no prerequisite. There is no prerequisite for DSA, maths and aptitude, and their weightage is like DSA, there will it will be for 20 marks. Again, I am counting programming in itself in the DSA part, because most of the time programming questions will be having some logic which will be dependent on the data structures and algorithm. The engineering, maths and aptitude, again, there are 20 marks fixed, there is no variation, and aptitude is also for 15 marks, right? So I hope you all are clear till in here. So I will tell you few tips. See, try to prepare these three at an early stage of a preparation. Why I'm saying is that as of now you are still having good amount of time to practice and to understand the subject in the depth, right? Now these three will be requiring a very high problem solving skill. Okay, if the problem solving skills required is high, you need to do a lot of practice, and if you need to do lot of practice, you will be surely required higher amount of time. Okay, now once you learn these, rest of the syllabus will be piece of cake. Sorry, not the price of cake, the piece of cake, because then what you left with is a systems, right? And the systems includes what? Our OS, our CN, our COA, and all. And we know that these are the three subjects. There won't be much of a variations in the questions itself, right? The questions will be following the similar pattern to that of the previous year gate questions, and there won't be new variations also, and you can expect the type of question which will be asked in each and every part, right? So what you need to do is, in the system part, you just need to read once and solve the previous year question, and you will be in a very good position, right? Now see, if you want a good rank, you will have to score 45 plus marks in this section, right? Which comes for approximately 55 marks. I'm not saying that you should be getting this at the October, right? October month, no, but you should definitely be able to get this in December month, right? Now those who are preparing very seriously, I really advise you to please do these three subjects. Okay, because these three are very highly important. See, in DSA, I am having DSA in my MTech in a first term with a advanced version called DAA, design and analysis of algorithm. Maths I am having in my first semester as a LAP subject, linear algebra and probability, and in second semester as an combinatories. Okay, so again, see, it is there, and the aptitude you will be required for the placements, right? So see, these three are again involved in your higher studies, and believe me, once you are done with these three now, you will be you will never be required to read them again and again, because all you have to do is just understand them once. You have If you have understood them once in a pretty good depth, then you will be able to solve them and you won't have to revise that much. Okay, so please try to devote the half of the daily learning time to these three, right? Because if they are carrying the half of the weightage, logically they should be getting half of the time. Okay, and please have a good visualization and the intuition for the DSA and the discrete. See, in DSA, you should know how the BFS will work, right? That it will start here, then it will cover the next level, okay? Then it will cover the next level and it will cover the next level. You should have that understanding and intuition. Also, in the terms, in the discrete maths, you will be again having the graph theory, okay? In graph theory, some important theorems are there, right? So, you should understood them and try to feel how they are working. Okay, now once you are familiar, if you are already familiar with all the concepts in DSA, like you know the algorithms, how they work, and you know the discrete, please try to solve the multiple questions. Okay, because if you solve many questions, it will give you a overall view. Okay, this will give you the overall understanding, right? The questions which you might expect in the exam, and it's really essential. Now after you done practicing, preparing these three subjects, how to revise them is through test series. If you want to revise the engineering maths, go and attempt the test. Okay, attempt test directly. Even if you are getting a low mark, because you, if you think you are solving without the revision, it's fine, because those are the mistake which are genuine mistake and which you might do in your gate exam. So that's the best way to understand where you are lacking. Okay, so please try to implement this at least for these three subjects, because see, in these three subjects you won't have much to remember. I understand that in the OAS, CN, and our COA, in these three subjects you will be having many much things to remember, especially in CN, right? So their revision before the test and after the test are two different things completely, right? Because it will surely affect your marks. But it's fine because no one is gonna ask you what was your test rank. Believe me, no one has ever asked me how, what was your rank in this and this test series. No one, right? So it's not at all important. And to be honest, I have failed miserably even in 2021, when I used to attempt a subject test, because there were sometimes very minor details which were there in the questions which I used to ignore. And believe me, I used to feel that I should have revised before attempting the test. But then what's the point in attempting the test if you are revising it before the test? Because then you will be in touch with all the concepts, right? So you won't be having the problem of recalling, because recalling would be very easy. Okay, so keep this thing in mind, and I hope this helps. If you have any doubts, please feel free to ask. Okay, and take care of your time and take care of yourself. Sorry.